Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name's Justin and you got Justin's Bricks and Pins. This is my first video posting and I figured I'd do an introduction, kind of where I've been, what I've done, where I'm going, and then the next videos are all going to be about either Disney trading pins or Lego, which you can see behind me. I have quite extensive collection. So stick with me and let's have some fun. So where should I start? So first of all, I'm a hobbyist. I enjoy plenty of hobbies, including trading card games, online games, but most of all, I am an avid Lego collector and Disney pin trader. Now, where I've been in the past, I started off young, going to Disney. My aunt and uncle took me to Disney the first time in 1989, fell in love with Disney. I'd been to Disney World twice more in high school, marching in the Magical Music Days parade. At that time, I decided Disney was where I wanted to be. So once I finished high school, I started to work for the Disney store, transferred to Disney World a year later, and had worked from 1996, 95 to 2000, late 2000 in Walt Disney World. During that time in 1999, Disney pin trading came out, and I loved it. Now, I'll share some phrases as I'm going to borrow from one of the other creators on YouTube, WDW Kevin. If you haven't checked him out, definitely check him out. I've enjoyed all of his videos. But one of the things that he likes to say is it's not always about the treasure, it's about the adventure and the search or hunt. And that's what, for me, has me collecting Disney pins. So in 99, while I worked at Disney, I collected lots of pins, thousands of pins. Well, life changes, things happen, began to start a family, and had to move. Unfortunately, I had to sell off that collection. Years later, I went back and visited with my family at the time, and 2009, I believe, and again, enjoyed the pins, did it with the kids, and wasn't quite something that I got, I would say, addicted to, but I still enjoyed it. Fast forward to 2020, 2 weeks before COVID, the pandemic hit. We were in Disney World, me and my wife at the time, and my brother, sister-in-law, niece and nephew, my mom and dad. We took our first actual family trip to Disney World. Now, my brother had been addicted to pin trading, loved pin trading, spent tons of time pin trading. And another phrase that Kevin has is real deal banana peel. My brother was all about the real deal pins. He could spake the fake pins a mile away, but he got me back into pin trading. So on that trip, I invested quite a bit, spent a lot of time, had fantastic time, met some wonderful people, had some wonderful moments, Disney pin trading. And so come home and again, real world hits. Again, had to sell my pin collection. So fast forward, here we are, 2026. I am a husband to a wonderful wife who supports my hobbies completely. Love her. And in turn, I also support her personal business. Now, most of my posts are not going to have click this and check this and go to these sites, but my wife's personal business, southwesterncharm.com, homemade jewelry. If you get a chance to visit, I wouldn't be a good husband if I didn't support her in my introduction, because she really does support me. I'm a father of 6, 4 boys, 2 girls, all adults. My youngest is turning 19 this year, and 1 grandchild. Close to my heart. Love him dearly. Well, my wife and I spent first year married, taking care of our family, doing the adulting thing. This year we decided we're going to take trips. So we've already booked our first trip to Disney World. It's going to be the end of June through July 4th. Talking about other trips already to Disney. Well, I told her, hey, I really enjoyed Disney pin trading. And she didn't quite understand the draw to it and whatnot. So I ended up buying a collection that someone was getting rid of, and I will be organizing and sorting through this collection. Obviously, we all know, for those that are pin trade, there's differences in pin types and authenticity and things like that. But my collection is kind of what I enjoy. So bear with me as you see what things I have and what I'm bringing in, what I buy, and what I'm trading. Another phrase that I will share from Kevin and other uh, posters is trade for equal value. So if I have a fake pin or a scrapper pin, I will trade for the same when I'm there. So we'll cover more of that later, but I just wanted to introduce myself, tell you where I've been, tell you what got me to where I am now, and I enjoy sharing my ventures with you guys and with my wife. So stay around. Hopefully we can make some magic and have some fun.